Yeah.
Alright.
Looking at the camera.
Hello YouTube.
Looking at the camera.
Hello YouTube. My name is Johan Foster from Sparky Licensed Electricians Connection. And we are here today to demonstrate a few safety features which you can employ in your home to ensure that your family is safe from the danger and dangers and hazards of the use of electricity. First, we are going to start off with your triplex conductor, supply service conductor, which leads from the JPS distribution line and connects to your potted. JPS normally provide a maximum of 100 feet of twisted wire to your premises. If it is beyond that, you would have to pay for it. That is connected to your potted, which is your first line of entry to your home. And here is where we have the copper and the aluminum conductors connected. And these are some special connectors to accommodate copper aluminum in order to prevent corrosion. Then we lead to your meter socket. Your meter socket is normally supposed to be within 5 feet of your boundary wall, and it should be turned facing the outside to the road where the GPS meter reader will have access to it and will be able to read it easily.
You want to start to
No, we'll be able to read it easily. Right? Then we comes to your main distribution board, your panel. All premises which has electricity must have a panel distribution board where your breakers are located, which protect your various appliances in your home and the lights. This panel box must be accessible to all adults in the home, and it should not be locked, put in a bedroom, in a bathroom, or over a kitchen or in water areas. And it should be a minimum of 4 feet 6 inches from the ground, and it should be accessible to all adults, and out of the reach of children.
6 feet in the kitchen in the house.
Yeah. And we come to your cooker switch, which should be within sight of your stove, your electric stove, and it has a light which indicates when it is on, and you can also turn it off, the light goes off, and it will disconnect the power from your stove. We come across here, we have the pilot light switch, which should be located where you have your water heater, your air conditioner, and your water pump. This also has a light to indicate when it is on and off, and you can use that to control, to disconnect the power from these appliances. We come across here, we have the ground rod, which is now normally supposed to be 4 feet 6 inches, the minimum, and it should be driven right into the ground and 6 inches below the surface of the ground. And you can put normally a piece of 4-inch pipe, 1 foot long, 4 inches diameter should be around this in order to protect it. And you should have a tag to indicate that it's small danger, do not disconnect. We come across, we go to your GFI plug, which should be located in GFCI plug, which should be located on your kitchen countertop, in your washroom and outdoor purpose, anywhere water and damp areas, and this will protect you from electric shock and electrocution. And this GFCI plug should be tested every month to ensure that it is working. As a test button, you can press the test button, and the test button will indicate whether it is working or not. You will just pop it up, and it will show. It will do this test every month. You come across, we have a tamper-proof plug, which is very important. This should be located in your children's room, where you have your toddler, to protect your toddlers, and also in the classrooms where to protect children under 11 years old. As I said, how this works, it has a tamper mechanism inside. So if your child should insert anything in this plug, they won't get access to the contacts inside, because it has a barrier which prevent anything from being inserted into it. So ensure that this plug is in your children's room or your toddler room. We come across, you have a regular 3-pin socket outlet, and you must ensure that all your plugs in your home are 3 pins. persons who have 2 pins in there should have their license electrician remove them and replace them with 3 pin to access, so that you can have 3 prongs and all plugs, all
For the
earthing is important that can be inserted in them. Right. So we come across, this is our junction box where all the joints are made for the various points to go to your plugs, your switch and the lights. Right. This here we have our photocell here. This operates, this is for outdoor purpose, to bring on your light during the night and take it off during dawn. Right. As you see, when I remove the stay from it, eventually the light will go out. It takes a little time and the light will goes out. And so there. So we come across, this is our regular incandescent bulb. Incandescent bulb. But incandescent bulb uses a lot of energy. So a lot of people stop using these bulbs and go across using either fluorescent bulb or the LED bulb, which use far less energy as opposed to the incandescent and the compact fluorescent bulb. So these are some of the main safety apparatus that should be in your home in order for your electricity supply to operate efficiently and safely. And you should always ensure that these things are installed and properly maintained by your licensed electrician, And for any further advice, you can get in touch with Sparky Licensed Electricians Connection, or visit our social media pages, or get in touch with the Board of Examiners or the Government Electrical Inspectorate, and always ensure that your electrician is licensed in the interest of safety. And
safety.